I'm hoping that the wait is now reduced to
The trial round, guys.
see this gentleman making pieces out of the malpua. So keep waiting.
Very nice. I've never tasted. The next
Great
thing to
way.
break the fun.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bidding adieu to Borivali and now making our way to Menara Masjid.
It is extremely affordable.
It was good hygiene. They managed it well. Welcome to another episode of Travel with Pallavi. And today to accompany me are my colleagues, friends, family, Anish Zogrekar and Amay Band. Anish, Amay, your thoughts?
Yeah, super excited to be a part of this.
Amazing. And where are we going today?
We're going to Muhammad Ali Road. Bismillah.
All right, great. So Muhammad Ali Road it is, people. Today we're going to cover the Ramzan festival at Muhammad Ali Road. We're looking forward to a lot of fun, frolic, enjoyment, and we're going to indulge in delicacies. This is a special episode curated only for the vegetarian audience. You're going to enjoy what we're going to show you. You won't believe the kind of desserts and the kind of savories that you get there, and these are completely vegetarian. So we're going to go to many places, select one of the most popular dishes that you could have there, and we're going to recommend for you to go and visit there along with your friends and family. Until then, until we reach Muhammad Ali Road and take you through more of this. So first up, we're at Shabbir's Tawakkal. This is a shop that we've been coming to for the last 10 years now. Let me see if I can get you a closer glimpse of that. Yeah, and that's the street behind you. The street that is so full of glitz and glamour. The glamour is us, the glitz is what you see. So yeah, more when we get inside. But we're at Shabbir's Tawakkal in Borivali. And there was a wait of about half an hour before we could make our way inside. I'm hoping that the wait is now reduced to 5-7 minutes before we get in. But yeah, more when we get in and more food. So keep waiting. And yeah, there's a lot of noise in the background because there's a lot of waiting. Here, you see this gentleman making pieces out of the malpua. This is a single layered malpua.
The trial round, guys.
So here is what you can't miss. This is the very popular mango malai. Just look at it. It is divine. Would you like to go on? Yeah. Anish has been fasting all day today, so this is the best
Thing to
way.
break the fast.
Yeah, correct. Wow. How does it feel?
Amazing. Very good flavor. I think nothing can beat this over here.
Okay. Second stop post Tawakkal is the Idris cold drink store. Very famous for their cold drinks. Anish is ordering one for the three of us because we have a long way to go. That's the owner, Idris. What flavor are we going for?
Falsa.
Okay, falsa. Goes by the name of falsa. You see it as it's poured into a plastic glass, which will be handed over to us. There, that's it. That's Anish. Cheers. Is it divine?
Very nice.
Amay, why don't you give us your view as well? Yeah, Anish, I'm going to wait for you to describe it.
Yeah, it has a unique taste to it. I really liked it.
Okay.
I'll go for one more.
Okay. All right. Amay, you have a similar opinion?
Yeah, I've never tasted
Something like that?
something like this.
Okay. So yeah, this is the Idris store and don't forget the falsa. So guys, we are at the Taj in the Borivali during the holy month of Ramadan. We've come here for the second time and we love the place. We absolutely love it. We recommend it. We've had today two of the best flavors. Anish has started having chiku. Anish, can you give me a little bit of what chiku means to you right now? Anish, hello, do I have you?
Oh,
Oh, you're lost in chiku? Okay.
having chiku.
Oh, cool. I have this. Abhay, what do you have? How's mixed fruit for you? Let's see what we have. strawberry. Cheers, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't miss this for anything. Come straight here. Have this. You're gonna love it. Sorry, but the rest for later. Bidding adieu to Borivali and now making our way to Minara Masjid for the next round. Okay! A very successful attempt to get to the other side of the road. Now we're heading quickly on our right. Having witnessed the amazing ambience vibes at Borivali, we're now at the very famous Minara Masjid. This is the most crowded part of Mohammadi Road. At the very famous Durrani Milk Center for the very famous Malpua. This is what it is. It's made in a well of oil. That's literally a well, as we saw. Here comes the jigsaw puzzle. Anish, can we have your first thoughts? MashaAllah. Oh wow. Aptly said. That is a single layer malpua. It's got a lot of. Oh, look at the next table. You can see what he's done. That's the jigsaw puzzle he makes out of it. And then as you start eating, you realize that the pieces are not missing. Thank you. Okay, so we're at Durrani. We're having some amazing mango inside of a coconut with real pieces of mango.
And tender coconut.
And tender coconut. Okay. Okay, guys. This can't be kept waiting for too long. So more after this, but this seems surreal. So we're finishing this amazing evening at Mohammad Ali Road. We broke it up into two parts. We first did Borivali. We then did the Minara Masjid Lane. As you can see, check it out. Check out the rush. A lot of people. That's the masjid, where of course you can only go if you're praying, but it's worth a visit, it's worth the frenzy, it's worth the food, and it's worth the rush. So make your way into this rush, have a great evening, have a great time, back to where we belong. This journey has been one hell of a ride. Can you see those boys behind me? They're super full,
Yeah.
they're super satiated. Sugar rushed. Okay. So we're back now. We're back home. We're now going to get you some final comments from all three of us, including what we liked the most. So let's start with the youngest. Amay, what's your take?
My favorite was that mango malai from Shabbir's Tawakkal.
Oh, from Shabbir's Tawakkal. So you close in with your final comments on Shabbir's Tawakkal. I would agree. It was superb. Yes, Mr. Handsome, what's your take?
For me, what tops the list was the Malpua and Shabbir's Tawakkal. I think.
Oh, again, Shabbir's Tawakkal. That wins hands down.
The
Okay,
best Malpua.
so we got 2 out of 3. Okay, and this is all at Borivali, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you ask me, Taj. So Shabbir's Tawakkal is a top favorite. It's always been, right? But Taj was the real discovery. It's been a discovery because this is the second time we've been there. And go for it. Go for the strawberry. Go for the chiku. Oh yeah, chiku. And Amay had the mixed fruit, which he liked, but mixed feelings. So we'll go for the chiku and we'll go for the strawberry as our recommendations. Of course, that also means that Borivali tops the Minara Masjid Lane. That was good. But considering aspects such as, Anish, what do you think you'd want to really speak about insofar as, say, pocket friendliness or...
I think it is extremely affordable.
Okay.
And it is worth the trek.
Okay.
For the
What
food and
what do you think we would have spent in all during the entire evening? So say 3 hours outside eating. Well, not all of us had one dish each. We shared a lot of it, but we're completely full. So what do you think was the total damage?
I think it was not more than 700 bucks.
Oh, that's it?
But yeah, 1,000.
Within 1,000?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so guys, you know it. You heard it. $1,000, a 20-year-old for 3 of us, yeah. And we are quite full. I don't think there's anyone who's feeling slightly empty, where in fact parts of the mitochondria in our body are overflowing. So confused. Okay, so yeah, that's a little bit about the body anatomy, which I'm not getting into. That can be on a separate day for a separate session. But like he said, pocket friendliness for the boys. For me, what's important is a lot of hygiene, and relatively, it was good hygiene. They managed it well. I didn't think, again, I'm specifically referring to Borimolla. Yes, Minara Masjid does get a little crowded, but of course, that's the fun of it. That's the season vibe, and that's where you get to see the rush. You can also go there in months other than Ramzan, of course. But then today, what we experienced was something else. We've been there multiple times before, but doing this for you all has been amazing, has been fun, has been a lot of self-discovery as well, and look forward to a lot more videos, a lot more fun, a lot more enjoyment, and a lot more sharing. So signing off.
Cheers.
Cheers.